Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to automatically delete messages in Telegram. Let's get started. Open your Telegram app on your phone. Then you have to click on this button on the top left corner of your screen. And then click on the settings menu. On the settings menu, you have to choose privacy and security option. Then click on auto delete messages to turn on the auto delete. Alright, and then choose the time when you want your messages to be deleted automatically, and you can choose after 1 day or a week or month. You can choose it as you like, and I'll go with after a week. And you have to click on enable. If you choose after a week, it means that after a week, your messages that you have sent will be deleted automatically by Telegram. Okay guys, that's how we can automatically delete messages in Telegram. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye!